Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to Tangal Online School. Dear students, you know that we are having a hard time getting the coronavirus infection. In this situation, Tangal District Education Office has arranged ground baking steps for the students who are staying at home. For this, I would like to thank and congratulate to all the officers of Tangal Education Office, and especially I would like to thank and congratulate and gratitude to our honorable DO ma'am, Mrs. Laila Khanum. Dear students, we are not totally well because of coronavirus, but we are very lucky getting Holy Ramadan. Dear students, you know that this month is a purification and self-justice month. So, dear students, I will discuss about subject prefix for class 8 students from English second paper. So today's lesson or today's topic is suffix prefix. Before discussing this suffix and prefix, we had better know what is suffix and what is prefix. Suffix. Suffix. Suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of root words to form a new words and changing meaning. Like that, for example, read. Read is a root word. After read, we have to add er, and it will be reader. So reader is a new word. Like that, write. Write is a root word. We have to only add after write r. It will be writer. Writer is a new word. So dear students, by following this video and by adding this system, we have to change the main word and we will get new words. So reader and writer are new words and these two words are suffix. So come to prefix. What is prefix? What is prefix? Dear students, prefix is a letter or letters added to the beginning of a root words to form new words. Like that, for example, plus happy, it will be unhappy. It will be unhappy. And like that, ill plus literate, it will be illiterate. Illiterate. So before adding letter or letters, before adding letter or letters, before the root words, we will get new words and it will be prefix. Dear students, prefix, we have to add new letters or letters added the beginning of root words. It will be prefix. Ill plus literate, illiterate. So it is a prefix. Dear students, come to the next point. Both. That means suffix and prefix. That means suffix and prefix. Dear students, there are some words we have to, from new words, we have to add suffix and prefix. That means we have to add both of suffix and prefix. Like that, an plus amplo plus ment. That means an amplo ment. Like this, an plus develop, an plus develop plus ed. That means undeveloped. That means undeveloped. Dear students, unemployment, undeveloped, these two words are made by adding suffix and prefix. Dear students, we have to convey three sense at the time of changing suffix and prefix. In the examination, sometimes we have to add suffix and sometimes we have to add prefix, and sometimes both of them. Dear students, that means by applying three senses, suffix, prefix and both of them, we have to sense suffix and prefix. Dear students, to realize you, this lesson I have divided into three steps. Number one steps meaning. Dear students, we have to give emphasis on the meaning. Meaning is very important because without knowing meaning, you cannot sense suffix prefix properly. So in this regard, meaning is very important. There are many students who cannot know a lot of rule of English grammar, but they know meaning, and by applying or by knowing meaning, they can sense easily suffix prefix in the examination hall. So I think you will also give emphasis on the meaning. I have written on the whiteboard a passage, and also in the examination hall the examiner will give a passage for changing suffix prefix. Like that, a dash honest man is dash liked by all. To realize you, I will use Bangla as well as English. A dash honest man is dash by all. Here A is fixed, so we have to sense honest. Dear students, a dishonest man is liked by all. It is right. কারণ একজন অসৎ লোক সকলের কর্তৃক অপছন্দনীয়. It will be dishonest man is disliked by all. যেহেতু এখানে এ ফিক্সড রয়েছে, সেহেতু আমরা অনেস্টের আগে আমরা আমাদের হওয়ার কথা ছিল অ্যান, সুতরাং এখানে ডিসঅনেস্ট হবে. ইট ইজ এ ক্লু ফর দ্য স্টুডেন্ট. ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, আমরা পরের বাক্যটি দেখি. অন দ্য আদার হ্যান্ড, অপর দিকে, আ ম্যান অফ ড্যাশ অনেস্ট ক্যান নট লিড ড্যাশ অ্যান ড্যাশ লাইফ. এখানে অ্যান হচ্ছে নির্দিষ্ট, সুতরাং আমরা অ্যান পরিবর্তন করতে পারবো না, সুতরাং আমরা পিওর পরিবর্তন করব. তাহলে কি হচ্ছে অপরপক্ষে. প্রথম বাক্য হচ্ছে অসৎ লোক সকলে করতে অপছন্দের, তাহলে অন দ্য আদার হ্যান্ড তার মানে বিপরীতমুখী, তাহলে তারপরটা হবে সৎ লোক. তাহলে আ ম্যান অফ অনেস্টি ক্যান নট লিড অ্যান ইমপিউর লাইফ. যেহেতু এখানে অ্যান আছে, অবশ্যই আমাদের পিওর আগে ইমপিউর হবে, ইম যোগ করতে হবে. মানে একজন সৎ লোক কখনো দূষিত জীবনযাপন করতে পারে না. ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, হি লিভস এ ড্যাশ লাইফ, হি লিভস এ পিসফুল লাইফ. এবং সৎ লোক সবসময় শান্তিপূর্ণ জীবনযাপন করে। যেহেতু এখানে লাইফ আছে তার আগে হবে পিসফুল, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হবে। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, you will notice that every part of the sentence is interrelated, and the first part's meaning depend on the next parts, and the next part's meaning depend on the previous parts. And by this following rules and by this following meaning, you can sense the passage suffix prefix, and passage suffix prefix is very important, and you will able to sense the suffix prefix by following this technique. So dear students, I have finished step 1 and I will come the next step, step 2. Dear students, step 2 is also important for the students. You must know step 2. Step 2, in this step I will discuss changing of words. You have to know the sense of different kinds of parts of speech. Dear students, like that, for example, use. We must know use. Its verb, adjective and adverb. Dear students, if you want to sense suffix prefix, you must know different kinds of parts of speech, and one words you have to sense into different parts of speech. So like that, use. Verb, noun, adjective, adverb. Dear students, use is a verb. use এর অর্থ হচ্ছে ব্যবহার করা। Its noun use, oblique uses. Many linguistics use as verb and noun. Use is used both verb and noun. So ইউজের দুটি নাউন রয়েছে, ইউজ অ্যান্ড ইউজেস। অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ইউজফুল। Adjective will be useful. Dear students, its adverb usefully. Dear students, like that, save. Save is a verb. Save. Its noun safety. Adjective safe. Adverb safely. Dear student, like that, succeed. Succeed is a verb. Noun will be successful. Noun will be success, sorry. Noun will be success. Adjective will be successful. Adjective adverb will be successfully. Successfully. Dear students, you will notice that adverb is very easy when you know adjective. After adjective, only adding ly, you can change into adverb. Like that, useful, usefully, safe, safely, successful, successfully. Okay, dear students. So in this sector, you must know changing of different kinds of words into different parts of speech. Use verb, its noun, uses, its adjective useful, its adverb usefully, safe verb, its noun safety, its adjective safe, its adverb safely. Like that, succeed verb, its noun success, its adjective successful, and its adverb successfully. So it will be easy when you know different parts of speech. So dear students, it will be helpful for you and you will feel better when you know different parts of speech. Come to step 3. Dear students, in this sector I will discuss grammatically changing of words, and it is very important, and by this knowing these rules you can change easily different kinds of suffix and prefix. Dear students, number one, article the plus noun plus preposition of. Dear student, number one, the plus noun plus preposition of. It is a structure. In this structure, for example, after article the and before preposition of, if there is a word, it will be noun. Like this, the dash important of English. Dear students, this important will be importance. Important will be changed by following this structure, the plus noun plus of. It will be importance. Number two. In this section, I will discuss article plus adjective plus noun. Article a or an plus adjective plus noun. For example, he is a dash lam man. Dear students, this structure, article of a oblique an plus adjective plus noun. Here before noun it will be adjective. So learn will be adjective. It will be learned. Dear students, it is very easy for you. This structure will also very helpful for both weak and strong students, and by following this structure you can change easily suffix prefix in the examination hall. Dear students, come to number 3. Come to number 3. Dash subject or object. যদি to be verb এর পূর্বে বসে এটি নাউন হবে। সাবজেক্ট ও অবজেক্ট টু বি ভার্বের পূর্বে বসলে সেটি নাউন হবে। ফর এক্সাম্পল, ড্যাশ ইজ আ নোবেল প্রফেশন। Teach, it will be teaching. Teaching is a novel profession. Is হচ্ছে টু বি ভার্ব, তো টু বি ভার্বের আগে টিচ থাকায় এটা টিচিং হবে। টিচিং হচ্ছে জিরান্ড। জিরান্ড, হোয়াট ইজ জিরান্ড? Gerund is used both verb and noun. That means gerund acts as both verb and noun. So teaching will be perfect. Teaching is a novel profession. Teaching to verb এর সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে বসেছে। Come to number 4. Two plus V1. After preposition to we have to use verb. মানে প্রিপোজিশনের পরে ভার্ব ব্যবহার করতে হবে। ফর এক্সাম্পল, he has to pure himself. He has to pure himself. এখানে একটু ভাবে পরে স্ট্রাকচার অনুযায়ী বার হবে। পিওর বার হচ্ছে পিউরিফাই। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, এরকম আরো কিছু স্ট্রাকচার রয়েছে। নাম্বার 5, উইথ এ ভিউ টু oblique look forward to, plus V1 plus ing যোগ। V1 plus ing যোগ। প্রিপোজিশন টুর পরে ভার্ব ফর্ম হবে, কিন্তু ব্যতিক্রম উইথ এ ভিউ টু লুক ফরওয়ার্ড টু এর পরে ভার্ব থাকলে তার সাথে আইন যোগ হবে। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, এরকম আরো অনেকগুলো ব্যবহার রয়েছে। দেয়ার আর মেনি এক্সাম্পল আর ইউজড in English grammar by using like that structure, but time is short, so I want to finish this lesson. Dear students, if you want to change suffixes, you have to emphasize on meaning, changing words and grammatical rules. So dear students, I think you will be happy in your future life. And dear students, in this moment who are watching these videos and following this class. You will be happy and keep yourself at your home. Allah Hafiz.